Measure and installing roll-out awning walls. The tools needed are drill, Phillips head bit, 5mm drill bit number 11, 1/8 drill bit number 30, 8.5mm drill bit, deburring tool or file, silicone neutral cure. Erect awning ensuring roller tubed empty slot is at 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock position. When measuring height of the track on van, always measure from centre wheels. Horizontal measurement from van to roller slot. Always measure from both ends of the van. Measure from the ground to roller slot. Measure the width of awning fabric. Measure from the edge of awning fabric to outside of leg. Measure from awning fabric to bottom of roof. Measure from bottom of roof to top of van body. Outer edge of roof rail bracket slot to line up with edge of fabric. Fit track to van with channel in line with inside of slot. Ensure the track is fitted vertically on the van, normally using window or door to measure from. Drilling hole into the roller needs to be 15mm inside from edge of fabric and 45mm from roller slot. Once mark drill pilot hole with 5mm drill bit, then use 8.5mm drill bit and elongate as shown. Be careful not to damage wires if fitted with LEDs. Using deburring tool or file, smooth the edges. Always start fitting draft skirt around the door.